put on Facebook today that I got a assault charge, and it's very, very serious assault charge. They hit me with assault with the deadly flex on Instagram. Now, what does that mean? It means that I flexed so hard that it hurt somebody. I ain't gonna say who it hurt, but it hurt somebody. The flex was real and it was hard. So right now I'm fighting the assault charge off Instagram. Now, if you follow me on Facebook, we at JFK, just for kick customers, get to know them. I can see a lot of videos come out of the shop. Now, I flexed on Instagram about this Mercedes-Benz. Sorry BMW. Now the fog lights didn't work. Now the guy that so-called tried to do it, well, he do the job. So what we did was we rewired it, put everything back the way it's supposed to be, and now they work. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn on the switch. Both fog lights are gonna come on. Okay. Now, I'm not a Mercedes-Benz type of person myself, but this thing does look good. It look good. The repair bill, I don't want it, but the look, yeah. So, fog lights, HIDs, all the lights work like they were before. So, if you have a Mercedes-Benz, if you have a Range Rover that's in the shop, if you have anything that's high-end, we can handle it. Whether it be from lights to, I ain't gonna say engine, I don't wanna mess with that, but you know, sound, stuff like that, whatever. JFK in Calvin, Auto Impressions, we flex. The whole Auto Impressions family, we flex. So with that being said, JFK, Auto Impressions, we out.